Hi viewers, this is regards to Excel learning curve, and we have a lot of resources to provide you Excel related activities and Excel, all about the Excel and Excel formulas, difficult Excel formulas and useful Excel formulas, and like count if sum if we look up as such, and reverse VLOOKUP like index match combination. There are a lot of formulas. It's a version like in Excel. So I thought of providing you all the things within this website. So try to learn as much as possible from this website and keep commenting in the below. So whatever doubts you have, so when we get time, we'll see and we'll answer. We'll try to answer your questions. uh, so wish you all the best for your learning. And so I just wanted to read the what I have written over here. Let me know by commenting if you have any ideas in enhancing the Excel related activities within this website to train the new users, beginners, advanced guys. Also, we have a lot of resources to provide you regards to VBA macros training and Excel macros programming, etc. And interacting with other applications like within from the Excel to other applications like Outlook, MS Access, databases like SQL, Oracle, and it's endless. We have endless things for you to teach you. So wish you all the best, and try to learn and try to give the better ideas to improve this website. So for you people, I thought of reading this article what I have written over here. Like Excel is a version where you cannot end up your learning. Also, it is very useful for office related work and user friendly. Up to 30 MB data within the one Excel workbook you can maintain, and you can play around with the data however you want. In olden days, almost every company's crucial data was maintained in Excel since it is very useful helpful for calculations and fetch the data. Even now, BPO companies rely on Excel for MIS reports, dashboards, analytical templates, scorecards, SLA reports, SLA reports in the service level agreement reports, CPA metrics, like a critical performance indicator, uh, and KPI metrics, key performance indicators, and so on. It is very easier to navigate to get the data in seconds. Hence, every company management use the Excel for their most of the operational reports. Excel application is being developed rapidly by Microsoft company because we have seen the 2003 Excel version, 2007, 2010, and 2013 Excel version so far. I'm not sure whether about we have received the 2016 Excel as I haven't seen. We have a lot of experienced people with us to train you. And in the 2013 Excel workbook, most of the features were enhanced. Actually, 2007 Excel version was far more better than the earlier versions because, but always once we get habituated with the one Excel version, we feel bit discomfort to use the new version. As a human being, we don't often like to take pain in doing the work on new platforms. We have to thankful to Microsoft team since they worked and developed and still developing for us. Unless Excel workbooks are there, our office life may not be so happy for the operational tasks.